Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab paste for business. First, choose the freshest crabs available, as their quality directly impacts your final product. You'll need a good amount of cooking oil, minced garlic, and a blend of spices to enhance the flavor. Make sure your kitchen is spotless and all your tools, like pots and blenders, are clean and ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Steam or boil your crabs until they are perfectly cooked, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Carefully extract all the delicious crab meat and the rich, flavorful crab fat. In a separate pan, gently sauté minced garlic and finely chopped onions in a generous amount of oil until they become fragrant and soft. Then, combine these aromatic ingredients with your crab meat and fat in a large cooking pot. To achieve that perfect taste, it's time to season your crab paste. Incorporate salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a hint of chili flakes if you prefer a spicy kick. Stir the mixture continuously over medium heat to ensure even cooking and to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Continue cooking until the paste thickens considerably and the oil begins to separate, which signals that your delicious crab paste is ready. Once your crab paste cools slightly, it's time for packaging. Sterilize your jars or containers thoroughly to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. Fill them while the paste is still warm, then seal them tightly. Store your finished product in a cool, dark place or refrigerate for extended shelf life. Remember, a great product needs great marketing. Develop a strong brand and promote your unique crab paste. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.